Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Class is 8th. Subject is political and social life. Dated is 3rd of June 2021. Our topic is why we need a political parliament. In this chapter, we have first to do law textual question. These are the textual questions. First, we have to do long, short answer type, very short answer type. Now we have to do long answer type questions. Question number 1 is explain the composition of Indian Parliament. Question number 1 is explain the composition of Indian Parliament. Its answer is the Union Parliament consists of President and the two houses known as Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The Union Parliament consists of the President and the two houses known as Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Now, Rajya Sabha is known as the upper house of the parliament. Rajya Sabha is known as the upper house of the parliament. It can have only 250 members. It can have at 250 members. The President of the India nominates 12 members. 12 members. The President of India nominate 12 members. There are persons who have distinguished themselves in the field of art, literature, science, and social services. Rest of the members are elected by the members of state legislators. At present, it consists 245 members in all. 1/3 of its members retire after every 2 years. Each member remains in the office for a period of 6 years. Now, Lok Sabha is the lower house of the parliament. Lok Sabha is the lower house of the parliament. It can have at least 550 elected members. 530 members are directly elected by the voters of different states. 530 members are directly elected by the voters of different states. Only 20 members can elected from union territories. The President can nominate 2 members of Anglo-Indian community. The President of India can dissolve the parliament. Lok Sabha are elected for 6 years. Now, question number 2. Explain the powers and functions of Parliament. Explain the powers and the functions of Parliament. This is the second question, long answer type. Answer. Following are the main powers and functions of Union Parliament. Following are the main powers and functions of Union Parliament. Number first, legislative powers. The Parliament can frame laws on the subject mentioned in the list of Union list and current list. The Parliament can frame laws on the subject mentioned in the list of Union list and concurrent list under the certain circumstances. Under certain circumstances, the Parliament gets the right to frame the laws. The Parliament gets the right to frame the laws. Number 2, financial powers. Number 2, financial powers. The parliament controls the finance of the country. The parliament controls the finance of the country. The budget is passed by the parliament. The budget is passed by the parliament. Number 3, executive powers. Executive powers. The prime minister and the constitution of ministers and the council of ministers are responsible to the parliament for their action and policies. The prime minister and the council of ministers are responsible to the parliament for their actions and policies. The parliament has power to remove the council of ministers by passing vote of non-confidence. The parliament has powers to remove the council of ministers by passing vote of non-confidence. Number 4, judicial powers. Judicial powers. The parliament can remove the president from office through impeachment. The parliament can remove the president from office through impeachment. Number 5, electoral powers. The elected members of the parliament participate in the elections of the president. The elected members of the parliament participate in the election of the president. The vice president is elected by the members of both houses of the parliament. The vice president is elected by the members of both houses of the parliament. Thanks lot of अस्सलाम वालेकुम. अगर रब ने चाहा तो इससे आगे कल हम ये सोशल साइंस के 3 चैप्टर हमने कंप्लीट की, हिस्ट्री के भी 3 चैप्टर कंप्लीट किया. अब हम जोग्राफिया की और कल बढ़ेंगे. जोग्राफिया के जो जितने चैप्टर्स है पहले हम उन 3 चैप्टरों को जो T1 में है उनको कंप्लीट करेंगे. थैंक्स लॉट ऑफ अस्सलाम वालेकुम.